Hi, if you are watching the videos that I have been uploading and have subscribed to my channel, I like to express my gratitude from the bottom of my heart. Very recently, the number of subscribers on this channel exceeded 100, a number which I honestly had not expected would arrive so soon. So thank you so much for that. This video is not going to cover any particular topic, but I want to take this opportunity to point out that on my YouTube channel, there is a playlist which I have compiled, which contains videos which are basically recordings of the lectures that I have given at other places. So the people who hosted me for these lectures were generous and kind enough to record the lectures, painfully edit them, and make them freely available for everyone on YouTube. So it is often the case that people don't go and look at the playlists on a channel. They pay attention to the videos that the owners of the channel have directly uploaded. But I thought it would be nice if I can point out that there is a playlist of other videos which I haven't directly uploaded but are still available for your viewing. So at the end of this video, you should find a link to that playlist appear. I hope you find those lectures useful as well. And once again, thank you so much. It's been very encouraging, and I find myself much more devoted now to bringing new content on this channel. Thank you.